Stop analyzing and be in the experience. Everything that you're doing here, if you start analyzing them, you'll not do yourself good. Okay. It's like again coming up with a cooking example. It's like खाना भी रखा है और हम उसको बजाय इसके कि हम उसमें जो कुछ डालना है जो कुछ करना है वो करने के अगर हम खाना चूल्हे पे रख के और खड़े हो जाएं एंड देन वी जस्ट स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग ओके तो हांडी जल सकती है लेकिन अगर हम हांडी को हिलाना है जुलाना है जो भी उसमें करना है तब्दीलियां अगर हम वो करते रहें तो खाना पक जाएगा सो do not get into the habit of analyzing, get into the experience. Okay, experience, apply these things and you will see how it works for you. People often ask me, is there any prerequisite for learning NLP? There are only a couple of them. You need an open mind. That's the first thing. And the second is, willingness to learn. And the third thing is a good sense of humor also helps. Do not try to take everything seriously. We all have, sometimes we have serious problems, but serious problems doesn't mean we cannot do things in a fun way. Okay. Richard Bandler, the founder of NLP, says the problem with people is that rather than, so when they have a serious problem, rather than working seriously, they just become serious. So they do not act seriously, they act serious. And when they get serious rather than acting seriously, and then they get, passive without doing anything. Now I'm too serious. I'm serious and I'm not doing anything. That doesn't work. It doesn't help. So, don't try to be serious. Don't think seriously. Apply things seriously and you will see results.